Unidentified film featuring a theatrical scene designed for sound effects. A documentary produced between 1897 and 1900, exact year unknown, by an unidentified production team and director. It presents a short theatrical sketch featuring various visual elements, intended to be shown with bruitages in French, live sound effects synchronized with the on-screen image. The film was screened while a sound artist or foley artist produced the sounds from behind the screen. The only preserved copy of this film, which is hand-colored, exists in a restored, digitized format within the archives of the Cinémathèque Française. However, it is not freely available to the public online. Screenings take place only in person at the institution's projection room in Paris. Consequently, it remains unavailable on the Internet.